Hi there, and welcome to another episode of inkitdesigns. Let's create this splash screen animation. So let's get started. First, we'll select the frame. I, as usual, select 14 and 15 Pro. Then we will select a rectangle and adjust its corners. Choose the color of your liking. I will choose this one. Now we will adjust the rectangles as shown in the video. Make sure that the rectangles are inside the frame. And also rename your layers accordingly. Now select the top rectangle to add effects, that is drop shadow. It's completely a subjective preference on adjusting the value of the drop shadow. Now we will duplicate the rectangle on which we have applied the effect to cover remaining of the frame. Duplicate the frame. Now we will move aside the rectangle to clear the frame, but make sure that the rectangles are inside the frame. Just follow along and you will get the idea. Now type in your text and change its appearance to 0%. Now we will make a third frame by duplicating our second frame, and we simply will change the appearance to 100. We will not only change our appearance, but we will also increase our font size. We will again duplicate our third frame for the last and final time. We will bring back in our two rectangles as shown in the video. Oh, oops, I repeat, the rectangles should stay inside the frame. Now let's work on our fourth frame and it will be our sign up page. I have already recorded detailed video on how to create a sign up page, and I will attach the link to that video in top right corner of this screen, so do check that out. You can still follow up the video to get the basic idea of sign up page. And we are almost done with the sign up page. Now moving forward to prototyping it. Closely follow the video to create interaction between the frames. And we are done. Here's the final review. If you want to get featured on my Instagram page, you can always DM me your animations. The link to my Instagram will be in the description down below. And with that, if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.